Hi, so this is the second part of the video of the demo. So I have added this tool as we discussed earlier that I thought that you are interested in seeing all the total for the all the clients. So except these three columns because these three are already accumulated. Sorry, from here to here, these three are already aggregated on these columns totals on each sheet from December, January, and so on. I'll add for more sheets to show you. So this is how it's going to work. So as you can see currently, December has 34 subscribers and January also have 34 subscribers. So on the dash all time total, you can see it's 68 in here. Let me make a change on the 34. So what I'll do, I might add 20 more in it. So this will become 54, and the total should also increase by, yeah, sorry. For the total, you need to go here and update the dashboard so that you can see the numbers updated accordingly. You can see it's 88 now. So let me add another tab and show you. I'll go to the January and duplicate the tab. Let me rename tab 23. I think we should keep the naming convention so that we can identify the tab 23. Okay, so let me clear this. Maybe need to add 2 here, 5 here, and 10 here. So if you remember that this is 88, now this should increase by 2, and similarly these two as well. So what I'll do, I'll go to the custom and update the data dashboard database, and you will see. So this become 90, 71, and 256. So this way you can have, or you can always have, if you have multiple. Once you will add more and more tabs in it, the code will still work, and it will pull all the values for the subscribers, views, and the earning from all the sheets, and it will spit out on here so that you can have a good look of the total of this particular client. Similarly for all of the clients and all the three columns. So this is an addition from my side. Please let me know. Thank you.